Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you a review of my cucumber melon slime. And also, I'm sorry for how it's all blurry and stuff. I'm not sure if it's going to be like that on YouTube, but sorry if it's blurry. And yeah. But I also want to give a huge thank you to the Dollar Tree because I got this container at the Dollar Tree and I also got the slime glue at the Dollar Tree, and I made this today. So yeah, this is so cute and pretty. Let's just get on to the video. So the container is kind of hard. It's kind of hard to put the lid on, but at first it is, but then you realize you just have to press it, and then screw it together, like twist it, and then oh my gosh, this is so cute. So first off, it's kind of bubbly actually, because I made it first today. First off, there is a tiny little bear. And it's so cute, and I thought it would match with the slime because it's like green and sparkly. So that's just like a little surprise and decoration for the slime. You can like find it in the slime. But I'm going to take it out just in case like it disrupts the ASMR. So yeah. This slime is super clicky and pretty, and it's also really stretchy. So yeah, I'm just gonna do ASMR, and after I finish the ASMR, I'm gonna explain how I like it. So yeah, this slime is like really clicky, and it's super stretchy as you saw, and yeah, I made it with Elmer's white glue. As you can see, of course, it's clear. Sorry, my hair was in the way. Look, my hair. As you can see, my shadow, my hair. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, I really love this slime because I had this lotion. I had this lotion that my mom gave me, and it was like scented cucumber, and it smells so good. And I also added this hand soap lotion to it, and it smells so good. And it's really pretty and glossy. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be even more glossier the next day, but I love it. And it's like almost like a sizzly slime, cause like at first it's like kind of sizzly. So yeah, that's my cucumber melon slime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and sub if you like my channel. And see you later, coconuts.